Ah, mese omo MPP awurade a no mo ma hunu se tumi eye Yesu dia e no dia ma me ade a me MPP for power Ghana krom ha MPP for
okay
enti wo ha na MPP ni a ene Owusu due because 2028 me be case MPP for nyina.
Wallahi, some Christians are very good. Because of good Christians in this country, sometimes we don't want to talk. They're so-called, so good, the good Christians. May God bless them. But those who are lunatics, we will deal with them. So we are talking now.
Okay.
You see, I guess I can't, you know, and yes, sir. The best starting for the whole member. Ala ima ogana nyina obi abeka na okotoba so na edensem beba. Ghana, yesre, nobody should use religion for his political ambition. Nemo enso no. Say we continue, they will hear from us. Say we continue on this ha. Na say one more ministers. Minister of Defense,
okay.
Minister of Interior. These are the two ministers. They have a say. And the Minister of Interior, nobody should touch any religion.
For the beginning of this week, video at 20 years pano, Prophet Isaac Owusu messenger or the man MPP for Nebusia, name message to the sense from Monday to Sunday, and here the top discussions also on TV stations and also social media platforms now. And next Sunday, you nim say Bibia Koda because it will be a person cano. Ya can we attempt the ahodo any exposes ahodo ama for ye no enim say akoda ba ebusia video mensa kan HSA the Muslim community and so the mo age issue mu mo HSA Prophet Owusu Bempah video ye no eye video a etian kremosom and as etian kremfo to the extent say Fantini to be president of Ghana Genesis kwan say kremoni su to benye to the extent say Prophet Owusu Bempah threaten say nipa bi obeto badema Dr. Bawumia no obedome no the Muslim community who say enya de a okasa yi enti na wo say empanifo ne nkasa ne won tietia break anya sabe bia ode ba ne de ahwa obagine ni so ebusua ene Sheikh Osman abedi komo mesro say obe subscribe my page no mi adama so ma se na me upload bia so na onsa ebetima kana fo so no comment section no mo eye wo de adwenkyere bia no obe drop no e wo me comment section da ma me ebusua mo ma tie Sheikh Osman
no ni adofo no e fo me Sheikh Osman JS Banda na ensema yati yenwe bi a efre no Owusu Bempah na ensema woka last okasa say
okay
imam edu amaso osi John Mama want him be president amaso say osa ka say obi obeto makremoni onumenu Safuano kita wuse Owusu Bempah any free independence ebe pemene Muslim say in a president of Ghana we actually say yenua Owusu Bempah em say woyare ye de ebe ka kire ne say
okay
otwedi aponyankopon sa ne yare yare wa yare nso no so ahwe eno na de ko owu nemo Quran ka kire say wa qulu linnasi husna Quran emieti asese yenkan se pa enchira manfo amansan nemo Owusu Bempah ensema wo kika yesra Minister of Interior Minister of Defense someone put to stop into what he is saying now. Nobody should blame
okay
him. because ne woka no wo baby o keka kono yɛnyina determined bomb so. Muslims and Christians in Ghana, we are in peace. We love each other and we are good. Nemo yesrano enye wono nko a Ghana social media anything about religion. Religion is like blood. Esum etise moja a enam wɔ nipa mu. Etise wo kana wa hwa no ko create nima.
Okay.
Ghana, the whole West Africa country be any peace is in Ghana. Nemo and Nesra. Maybe in time by social media for all this. But the American also, I'm speaking on behalf of Muslim community. And I have the experience. And Mahu, I was in Sudan for 10 years. I was in Algeria and I was in Chad. Baby, a problem with Piano, I stayed because of one word.
Okay.
Rwanda, one word. Nipa say na wuye. One word na nipa ba kan wo Rwanda. Nipa say na wuye. It is a so-called Owusu Bempah. Onya hwiyi. Ghana, yes, nobody should use religion for his political ambition. Nemo enso say we continue, they will hear from us. Say we continue on this high. Na say one more ministers, Minister of Defense, Minister of Interior. These are the two ministers.
Okay.
You have to say. And the Minister of Interior, nobody should touch any religion. So come on, name of Saudi ban into religion is going to create a lot of problems. Islam in this country, 800 years now. Christianity is in Ghana how many years? It's not up to 500 years. Ghana is a secular state. Obia Wombi. Ghana is not Christian country. And Ghana is not Islamic country. Islam in this country 800 years, if you don't know.
Okay.
Since independence, how many Muslims become a president in this country? But every year we vote for everyone. Sometimes we reject our own because we said it's politics. We reject our own Muslims to vote for somebody who is not a Muslim. Are we stupid? We are doing politics. We love each other. Wallahi, some Christians are very good. Because of good Christians in this country, sometimes we don't want to talk. The so-called, they say the good Christians, may God bless them. But
okay.
Who are lunatics, we will deal with them. So we are talking now. They see, I guess I can't, and yes, sir, you best starting for the whole member. Ala imma ogana nyinara obia beka na okoto baso na edensem beba. Ye pe peace in Ghana. Ye pe problem in this country. Yankopon shire obia. Enti omo amutie nyinara ye nkasa nkyire Owusu Bempah. No nya sabi enkosesem a wodi no. So anya ntete a ye betete no. So when you be obeka kyere na ye beka kyere no.
Okay.
So one entity you better say no. The Israel Ta'ala. Nimum and I'm saying good Christians didn't teach. The person be or Ghana. Yankopo Maya Sombi. Ne every beer Yankopo family. Na President ye
enti ebusia we ni enkomo a Sheikh Osman Abedi menim hawa enkomodie we eko edema meso se comment section no ya wo de asebo so be kire wadwe wo hono and that's the only way betime hawa we see for area to video si meso ni de mo ase o drop comment ni via subscribe page ni mi adoma na so na me upload bi anso na unsa ebetime aka makra